The fanny packs are done. They're out, dude. Oh, hey.
Hey, what's up?
Here we are.
Yeah.
Yep.
We are here, another fireside chat. We are the LaBoss group. This is Dusty LaBossiere, and I am Crawford Trimmer. So we've been chatting a little bit today about where the market's kind of going in 2020, and we know it's an election year, and a lot of experts are guessing that we may be due for a recession. So Dusty, what do you kind of thinking? Where are we going to be lying in 2020?
I think that we're all pretty much doomed. There's going to be a lot of job losses. We're probably looking at 20% unemployment, probably even a worse recession than 2008-9. Nobody's safe. So the good news for 2020 is we're looking at an appreciating market, maybe up to even 4% for 2020. We've heard a lot in the news over the past 2 years, a bunch of headlines looking like we should be in a recession by now.
Yeah, I mean, historically speaking, this is the longest period of growth we've seen in the States, but that doesn't necessarily mean that we're about to fall off. If you look at places like Australia, for instance, they're in their 27th year of growth. So just because historically speaking, we've gone a certain period and then taken a little bit of a loss, we're still set to be doing good in 2020.
That's a good point, Crawford. One other thing that I wanted to mention is that inventory has a big effect on supply and demand. And as you know, we've seen a real drought of inventory in the Metro Atlanta market. We're down to 2.7%, and that's in comparison to the 6-month mark that most professionals would agree is a balanced market. So that's good news for the sellers. It's really going to pick up pace throughout the entire year unless we just get a drastic amount of inventory. But I think overall we're looking to shape up for a pretty good 2020.
I agree. And on the flip side of things, on the buyer side, we're seeing a good response in interest rates. They went up a little bit towards the end of 2019, but now they've started to drop back down at a really reasonable rate at about 3.75. So it's a really good opportunity for millennials like Dusty and I to start to get into the market and still see a really good interest rate and make some good money on their home.
So overall, we're really excited for what 2020 is going to bring. We think there's a lot of opportunity for buyers and sellers out there in the market. If you have any questions, concerns, if you're looking to just get some information about what the next step could look like in your process, in your chapter, we'd love to be a part of it. Give us a call, shoot us a message anytime.